Hi, Stratman here. I'm the programmer for pipware.com. I've got a thread on Forex Factory, and I'm just going to go through a bit of an explanation about what our thread is all about, and also go over some trades that I did on Friday, which was my first trading day for the year. We pulled in 73 pips on Friday. Before I do that though, I just want to go through a little bit about what we're about and what we're doing for Forex traders. If I just go to Forex Factory, so I guess if I just go to the calendar for Forex Factory, www.forexfactory.com, and we just go to forums, go down to commercial forum beta. This is where it is at the moment. You'll find our thread in this list. We're pipware.com, and we've been put in the commercial forum, even though we don't really, you don't need to pay to actually use what we do here. But let's go and just have a quick look. At the moment, the page kind of comes up like this. I'm Stratman. I'm a commercial member of Forex Factory. The strategy I'm going to show you, the 73 pips we made on Friday from, is a free strategy. It's a strategy known by lots of people, but this is just a place where you can chat about that. Most of my software is free. If we have a look down here, I've got download links. Most of those downloads are available on pipware.com. Let's just open the link in the new tab. And there's only one piece of software that I do sell, and that's a dashboard that kind of just assists us with the strategy. It's not essential that you have the dashboard, but it will certainly help you. As you can see, there's a lot of free software I provide here to help you with the system. Currently the dashboard's $39.95 USD. Very cheap. It's equivalent to 4 pips of profit using standard lots. Just made a statement here about the trading we did on Friday, which is a couple of days ago. And this week, before I go through the trading day on Friday and show you how I used this strategy to make those 73 pips, I'll just tell you about what we're going to do in the future for our forum. If we go to the last page, we actually should just look back at the first page. I'll just take you through what we're offering here. Introduction, just telling you about it. Step-by-step instructions. Well, a lot of people ask for step-by-step instructions. Unfortunately, if you've been in Forex long enough, you know that there isn't really step-by-step instructions. Really, you just have to have good education. Hopefully my thread here will be a place you can get that good education from. Provide all the download links here. We talk about the dashboard that you can use. You don't have to use it, but it is useful. Important posts like how to install the dashboard, how to take screenshots, why is the dashboard not free. I offer free support for everyone, whether you have purchased my dashboard or not. This whole thread is about teaching you. We're just done lesson 1 about trading with the trend and understanding what that's about. This is where I'm going to put all my live trading posts so that you can follow how it works. I'm going to post good and bad here. I'm not just going to show you the good stuff in the hope that you're going to get involved with us. I'm a member of the Cobra Forex THV team. I recommend that you go and check out the THV thread, because a lot of what I do in my strategy is based on THV system of trading. So go to Forex Factory, check us out there. On the last page, just to show you what kind of activity we've been having on our thread, step-by-step rules. So I've just written a little bit about the fact that 95% of us won't want to hear this, because the reality is 95% of traders who get involved in trading Forex fail. Only 5% move on. For me, it took me 5 years and 25 grand to understand it, and I now understand that all the strategies and tools and things we use are our servant. They're not our master. We are the master, and we use all the tools that we're given to assist us with what we understand about trading. Have a lot of nice comments, people coming back to me saying nice things. Talking about what other things I'm going to add to the dashboard, and also, we get comments from members who have replied back, and I have a very open forum. People can ask very tricky questions, and say that they don't agree with me on anything, and that's good. Mindsphere here has said I actually do not agree with the statement. I love it when people say things like that because it stirs a bit of thought about things, and obviously questions get asked that everyone wants to ask and answers are given. So I've responded back to Mindsphere here, answers to how we trade the strategy. I try and go through in detail, and this is what we're about. Hopefully there's a lot more traders who will get involved with me in helping the new guys out. Let's wait and see. The next part here is that I'm going to go forward from here. I'm going to do something that a lot of people that sell systems, and I'm not selling a system, this is free. I'm going to create a free, sorry, not a free, I'm going to create a trading account with Oanda as though I was a novice trader just starting out for the first time. I recommend not demo trading. A lot of people say demo trade first, but I recommend actually getting a micro account, putting in maybe $100 USD, so you actually do feel a little bit of pain from your trading. I know it's not a lot of money, and you won't experience heaps of pain if you're quite a wealthy person, but I do recommend that, as Cobra Forex has taught me, yeah, you should really trade with a live account so that you really feel the market and trading and the psychology and everything behind it. So I'm going to open a $100 account, and I'm going to trade it and show you every single trade that is taken on that $100 account here on this thread, and you can ask questions about all the trading. I'll even give signals where I can of possible trades that are occurring, and you can take those trades if you like, but please don't just remember these are just ideas that I'll give in terms of a trading possibility. Don't take them as a definite thing. No one really knows definitely for sure 100% what price is going to do. You have to make your own judgment on that, and if someone tells you something, you ignore it, or you take a closer look and you decide for yourself whether you're going to trade that. Okay, anyway, back to just some of the trading things we did the other day. I gave a heads up on this particular post. I said about the fact that I had some confirmation on my dashboard that we were possibly going to be going short here. This is the GU. There had been prior divergence on the THV chart. We can see that price action was rising, but the oscillator was moving downwards. So there was a good opportunity here to go short, and in fact very shortly after price did go short, and but I didn't take the trade because I was programming some more things with the dashboard. We don't mind too much if we don't get into a trade. All we want to do is actually make pips. We don't want to lose pips. So standing aside sometimes is a good thing. So here we go, here's the next one. EU, same kind of thing. We had a lot of we were hitting a lot of support here. We had a break of MS3 here, and had good indication on here by the dashboard showing that we were going short. So I said to everyone, watch out for a breakout, and if we look back, we'll probably see that actually occurred. So let's look back. Okay, that was right, and then within 15 minutes, if we have a look at what did happen, yes, we indeed did get a breakout, and we could have taken that trade, and you can see clearly what happened here. Dashboard just went crazy. If you had got on that trade, you would have been great. It's probably going to pull back to that because support becomes resistance, and you could then take that trade down short. That's what we'll teach you in this thread. Okay, let's have a look at another one. Here's an EJ trade. Here's another trade. I was just talking about the EJ and GU were about to follow based on the signals I was getting. So I told the thread about that, and then within 8 minutes I took the trade, showed my profit. I just took 10.8 pips from the market, so I'm showing what the dashboard did, and also the trade I took using the THV system. So anyway, I'm going to do another trade just to continue, another video, because these only can go 10 minutes on YouTube, so I'll come back for part 2 to finish off the day of trading. Okay, we'll catch you shortly.